how to measure around an object. And you're going to use this in your life all the time. I had to do it this week. I had to measure my coffee table to make sure that it was going to fit in the space in my living room that I wanted it to fit. So you might think that this is not one of those things that you're just going to learn in 3rd grade and not use again. You're going to use it all the time. When I had to get your books ready and I had to make these wooden things to divide them, I had to measure the perimeter of the area to see if I could fit what I needed to fit and to make sure you were going to be able to fit your books in it. So perimeter is something you're going to use all the time. All right, so before we get going on a little project that we're going to do today, okay, we're going to go over again the things we talked about in the beginning of the chapter. Okay, so if I draw you a rectangle, okay, and so what we know about a rectangle, right, it's got 4 what?
4 sides.
Okay, and what else? 4 what?
4 right angles.
4 right angles, okay. And so we know that the 2 sides they're parallel, okay. And these are the same, and these are
The same.
okay. So if I told you that this part was 7 inches, and I told you that this part was 2 inches, could you put your hand up and tell me the perimeter of the rectangle? What if? Okay, let's just move that one. What if I told you this side was 8?
Okay.
Can you give me the perimeter of this? Andrew,
Wait,
can you give me the perimeter of this object?
no,
Why not?
because you need to know.
You need to know the other side for a rectangle. Is there a shape that if I and that baggie is going to have straws that I already cut. There is only 3 sizes. So these ones you don't have to measure. If we have time at the end, I'm going to let you get a ruler out and find some perimeters, okay? But to start, okay, the small straw is already measured. It's 2 inches, okay? Then you're going to have a medium straw, which is already measured at 4 inches, okay? And then you're going to have a tall straw, which is going to be 6 inches. Okay? Yes, we are counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your straw pieces, and you are also going to have little pipe cleaners. Okay? These are your angles. You are going to have to make angles with these. And depending on what shape you decide to make, you might need to make a right angle. What's an angle that's bigger than a right angle? Obtuse. And what's an angle that's smaller? Acute. Okay? So you might have to make different types of polygons have to be made. I don't care how many sides they have. I don't care how many angles they have. Okay? They don't have to be special, like an isosceles triangle. You could do that, all right? However, you need to be able to tell me what type of polygon it is. Maybe you do make an isosceles triangle. Maybe you make a pentagon because you have 5 sides, or an octagon. So you have to be able to tell me how many sides it has, okay? You have to be able to tell me the perimeter. Now, how are you going to do the perimeter if you don't have rulers? I'm not giving you a ruler. How are you going to be able to figure out the perimeter? Mary?
It's because the little one is 2, the medium one is 4, and the big one is 6.
Okay, exactly. You have your chart up here. This is a polygon.
Is this
Last night I made one in the shape of a heart, so you can even make a funny shape out of it. Yes.
Is this a large or medium? Is this a large?
That would be a large one. That's a 6-inch one. But remember, if your shape has a special name, you have to write down the special name. So if you make an equilateral triangle, watch, you have to make it into an angle. Okay, so make your angle like that, and then you can fit them together. What to do on the other side of our paper? You are going to get rulers. Okay, because see, I measured those straws for you, but that's not how it's going to always be. Okay, so I am going to give you a ruler. Give those to your table. Give those to your table. And you are going to get, shh. Now, we are not running around the room. We're not going crazy. You are going to get 2 items that are polygons in the room, and you are going to be able to find the perimeter on your own. You're going to find 2 polygons in the room, and you're going to find the perimeter of the objects. I'm measuring around them. Okay? And you're going to write it down on the back of your paper. Okay?
46.
Yeah, I know.
No, 46 and a half. 46 and a half. 34.
Close. Minus 1.
I need a big ruler.
33. Good job. So write it down.
I did. Yeah, 78.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
this is.
write down next the rug.
There's a.
Put it on your rug.
Okay. Wait, are we supposed to keep the things that we measured? No.
So how many sides does it have?
So I can't take down the whiteboard. So I have to add something.
Yep. Good job. Get your ruler.
Hula. 8 feet. 9 feet.
We're going to call that 30.
10
Okay?
feet.
And we're going to round
11 feet.
on the half inch.
12 feet. 13. 14.
Kazaria. So did you guys double check it?
These are medium. The tall ones are like this.
Double check your adding. 78 is correct. Off by 8.
So is that 17? 4. And how was that? See, that's what we're here.
Okay. What do you have? What did you measure?
I measured a shelf.
What shelf did you measure?
I measured here to here.
Okay, so she measured how deep this one shelf of books is. Okay? And what shape is this one?
That
Rectangle.
one is
Let her do it.
rectangle.
A rectangle. Okay, so what sides did you measure?
I measured this one and this one.
Okay, just like Kazari's rectangle. When we have a rectangle, we only need to know 2 sides in order to put the rest together. So how long was this one?
46.
46. And how long was this one?